This is Athearn 65-foot mill gondola and an Athearn auto loader with a couple cars on it. Got some more cars to put on. And this is a little Athearn bulkhead flat car, and all of these are actually die cast. The whole gondola is actually metal. And I picked these up in Central Hobbies in Vancouver, and she's closing her store. So they're all Northern Pacific, which is what I like. And I also got some decals. We got Union Pacific, really early overland style. And I got some NP Heralds. It's for freight units. And then I got some more NP. So I'm going to actually use this logo, even though they didn't really put that on their steam locomotive. This is a Broadway and 462, and I didn't decal that, but it has an overland route Union Pacific Herald. So that's a 1920s scheme. That's actually how they would have come out of the factory. So backdating my layout to the 1940s. So if you go in here and you look, they all have the Northern Pacific, just the word on the tender. So, I mean, I have a couple like that, a couple like that. But if you go into, I think it's in here. This is broken right now. This is my 2882. It needs a new decoder. So I'm going to change this probably to Northern Pacific, but I'm going to put the Northern Pacific Herald on there instead, because they had mounts. And I'm going to get that fixed up so it'll look like kind of unique. A lot of people do this with Great Northern with the Herald. I like that logo. Something different on a steam engine. And I haven't ran this for a long time, but this is my Zephyr, twin light Zephyr. It's the only CB&Q locomotive I have. It's just DCC that I put in. Probably put sound in it next. It has an 8-pin plug and play decoder. I'll turn it on for you so you can see it. Has lights all inside of it. It's a really nice tail lights. They ran these sometimes in Wyoming, so it won't run on the top level, it'll run on the bottom level, but it's got the 2 headlights. It's pretty sharp. Even smokestacks. So yeah, I like that a lot. Forgot that I had it. Talk to you later.